Hey, good day everyone. Join me as I make this first Creality Falcon 2 project here. It's a laser etcher, so you can do cutouts out of wood and some really thin metal. And of course you can etch metal and wood with these as well. So for today, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull everything out of the box and start my first project from setup all the way to the end. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is install the risers here. So there's 4. And you can position them depending on your workbench. You can position them here and here and here. They have the same thing in all 4 corners. All right, I got all 4 of the risers on. Step 2 is we're going to take this off. Now this is going to go right there. Now on this right side here with the stop button next to it, I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in right here. Okay, what I have here next is the laser module, and this thing here, you can see that track in the back. This is just going to go right in here. Now if this thing is too far to the right or left, you can just kind of move it by hand real gently, and this will slide right down in there. But this piece right here from the laser module goes right into here. That plugs into here, and this tube here, we're going to pull this out. We're going to plug it into the top of this. Push that hose right down onto there. Okay, now I've got the cords put together with these Velcro straps there. Okay, moved everything out here to my work table. So now I'm gonna go ahead, this is the air pump. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in right here. You'll notice too, the tube going to the air pump, that long tube right there, I put it underneath the frame. On this side here, this is where our power adapter is gonna plug into right there. So this tells you how to set your height for what you're cutting based on thickness. We'll go ahead and adjust it to that highest setting. We're going to say that this is from 1 to 3 millimeters, which is what this is. Okay, now I took this USB cable and Type-C connector and hooked it into my laptop. Now I'll go ahead and turn the power on. I put the G-code file in the root directory, which is right here. So I just dragged it over here. Now I'm going to pull the TF card and put it in the machine. Okay, now I took this little card here, put that in there. All right, it gave me 2 beeps. Got the air flowing. I pushed the stop button. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and push the frame button. There's what that looks like. Push the frame button. All right, this is the preview mode. So now if I want to start it, I'm going to go ahead and push play right here. Now we're rolling. Hey guys, very happy with this thing. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to do a whole bunch more projects with it and see what I can do. Thanks for watching, everybody.